Stranger Things actors who didn't rely on sound effects. Will Byers screamed so intensely in season 5 that Noah Schnapp burst blood vessels in his face and neck from the strain.
How long were you screaming?
Like, it's so funny because they cut it. I'm like, oh, it's 3 seconds in the show. They had me there for like 2 hours. Ah!
Vecna's voice wasn't created with heavy digital effects like many people assumed, but only slight bass adjustments were added. Jamie Campbell Bower performed it live.
In a minute, I'm gonna need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up.
And Jimmy Fallon even used it to replace Jamie's animated character just for fun.
Time for you to join